Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to switch the attachments on a Philips Series 9000 trimmer. And this will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a Philips Series 9000 all-in-one trimmer. It's an awesome unit, and I'm going to show you how to switch the attachments. It's really easy to do. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you how to switch the guards on top of the actual trimming piece. So right now I have this trimming piece attached, okay? And the guards are attachments onto this trimming piece right here. So I'm going to show you how to switch those guards. So right here, as you can see, I have a guard. Here's how to put the guard on to that trimming piece. You're going to get the pointy end over here, the part that like sort of makes contact with the hair that you're trimming, and you're going to hook it on to the trimming piece. And then at the back, you're going to push it down. That's how to put it on. To take it off, at the back, you're going to pull it up, and then you're going to unhook that tip there, that point right there that sort of touches the hair. Okay? Just like that. So that's how to switch the attachments. You want to put them on, just like that. You hook it, push it down, and to take them off, you pull it up, unhook it. Once again, for the last time, to switch the actual guard attachments on the trimming piece, okay? To put them on, you hook them. So like this, I'll show you one last time. I mishooked over there. We're going to try that again. To put them on, you hook them and push them down. And to take them off, you pull them up and unhook them. Very simple. That's how to switch the guards with regards to the attachments. So these are the guards that go on the actual trimming piece. But you can also switch the trimming piece itself. So right here, we have this trimming piece attached right here. This is the attachment as well. To take this off, you want to pull up from over here where it obviously is the part that touches the hair. So you want to pull up and then just remove it like that. Very simple. And to put a new one on, I have like a nose and ear hair trimming piece over here. You get the notch over here. You're going to hook that notch in place like this on the side opposite the power button. So, oh, sorry, I apologize. On the side that the power button is. So here's the power button over here. On this side where the power button is over here, you're going to take that notch and hook it in place. And then you're going to simply push it down. And then to remove it, you just pull away. From the side where there's not a power button, you pull away. So once again, here's the power button on this side over here. On the side where the power button is, over here, you're going to take that notch and you're going to hook it in place, and then you're going to push down. That's how to put on a new trimming attachment. And then to sort of remove the trimming attachment, you're going to go over here where there's not a power button on this side over here. You're going to sort of pull away from that side. Just like that, okay? Just like that. And you can switch the actual trimming attachments just like that. That's how to switch the trimming attachments. So I've shown you how to change and switch the attachments with regards to the actual guards that go on the trimming attachments and with regards to the trimming attachments themselves. Really easy to do, and I've shown you and told you how to, it's really easy to do, and I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it in this video tutorial. I misspoke, but I corrected it, and that's basically what I wanted to say. So I got nothing else to say for this tutorial, so we're going to roll the outro for this video tutorial. Here's the outro without further ado. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.